what we're going to do is two kinds of milk. This is the oat milk and also the cashew. So, mag-oat milk muna tayo. So, wala siyang babad, fresh from the oats. This is just only for 30 seconds. But before anything else, meron tayong pampatamis. You can use the dates, fresh dates, or honey, organic honey. So, right now, lagay lang natin ito dito. And then, ito lang, isang dates. Tapos, we're going to blend it for 30 seconds. 2 cups. Actually, isang ganito is okay na siya. Kasi sobrang konti lang. It can be cold. Kasi serve as cold, mas masarap. Pag sa oat. Pero kapag sa cashew, may heat kasi na nagpuproduce ng food. So, start na ako. 30 seconds. Start. Now. Sa 25. So, if ever nung laking cheesecloth, sabi ng isa namin patient, yung lapi ng bata. Sabi na lang. Yung matitigil yung lapi. Yes. And then, i-drain lang natin siya. And then, after draining, para wala tayong grains. Okay? Yan. So, i-drain lang natin. Finished product of our milk. So, di na kayo, ay, bawal ang dairy products, bawal ang milk, favorite ko pa naman to. Walang problema. Pwede kayo pong gumawa. And it's just what? Ilang minutes lang? 15 minutes mo. Pang 15 minutes, makagawa na kayo ng milk. And you can store it sa ref for mga 2 to 3 days po. Pwede naman siya.
Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated on our next video.